So I'm in the Airstream. We finally got it moved over to the Homestead. Got it parked out here on the property. It's not exactly level. It kind of is leaning this way and that way. So I gotta do some leveling up to get this thing set correctly. Um, it's definitely going to be a project. Um, Something that is going to take time, but over time I'm going to, as I do these projects, I'm going to make videos, of all the different little things that I run across that need done, and I'm going to show how I go about doing it. I'm also going to do other odds and end projects, like I'm going to do some woodworking as I slowly build out and make the Airstream camper much more livable. And um, I'll probably do some furniture, some cabinetry, some other cool little things. Maybe one thing I want to build is a nice picnic table, and I'm thinking about just setting it outside the door right here. I've got the awning pieces. I haven't brought them over here yet. They're over at the other house, but I've got the awning pieces that go on the outside, so I'll be able to have that awning open and out, and maybe put some lawn chairs and maybe the picnic table over a little bit further out, and thinking about making me a nice little fire pit out there so that we can sit out there and enjoy, and just have our camper on our homestead and enjoy it and just relax. Got me a cup of coffee as always. I've always got me well, not always. I usually do 2 cups in the morning. This is my second cup of coffee. Uh, sometimes sometimes you just gotta find you a project. Where's my camera? Sometimes you just gotta find you a project and go for it. Sometimes you just gotta, no matter what condition it is. I mean, if it's a total piece of what, if you can get it for free and then fix it up, you got a roof over your head, you got a place to sleep at night, and you got a cool project to make videos about, right? This one is a 1972. As you can see, it needs work. That thing is the heater. It's gas heater. You can see where I've got some plumbing work, or here where the sink had gone here. That's an old army cot laid flat on the floor there. That right there is the gas cooktop that I'll be cleaning that up really good and making sure it's functional and works properly. I got some water jugs there. This is the old oven stove, original Airstream old oven stove thing here. And look at that. Still got all of its pieces and parts. It's run by propane, just like the gas cooktop. The heater. There's the old refrigerator right here. It's seen its days for sure, but it's still an old Airstream thing. And there's the sink right here for the kitchen. And of course you got the tub, the bathroom area, toilet. There I am in the reflection. But anyway, it's got pretty much everything. There's the 12 volt DC power converter. all that needs to be redone. This is one of the closets. I've got odds and ends here that I need to do. There's another closet here behind me. It's got a few items in there. One of those old vent things from the roof. There's another old vent thing. That's the air conditioner. So I've got to do the AC work, get that going again. And a couple of vents. This vent here, that's pretty much ruined. I need to replace that. So I'm gonna go around and see what I can find. The old heater system there, I'll probably just remove that, and I don't know what I'll do for heat. Don't know if I want to use the propane for the heat so much. I might, you never know. And then over here, there's a plug thing there at that spot there, but this is where the old propane refrigerator was mounted in here, and there were cabinets here as well. I don't have any of those cabinets. I don't have any of that working stuff, and I've got, you know, odds and ends that have been in here, you know, a few years. There's some of the pieces and parts for the ceiling. Yeah, I mean, look at that outside. I'll probably end up opening these windows and just letting this thing air out so that I can, you know, breathe and enjoy. I found this jack in here. I think I'm going to use this. I'm going to see if I can use that to get the get the trailer off the tow hitch. And of course, I do have a lot of trash and stuff in here. I've got some wood rot, you know, in different spots around the doors and some of the windows where it's leaked. And I've got yeah, a lot of different things to do. This window's got some plastic stuff on it. I didn't realize that before. Oh, okay. I'll be taking things apart. Oh, there's a light switch. Well, that light switch doesn't seem to want to work right now. A lot of little things. A lot of little things I gotta fix and take care of. There's a nice little fan there. This refrigerator was just stuck in here. It's like a second thing here for us. But yeah, probably what I need to do is just get busy and just get busy. First thing I need to do is get this Airstream off of the tow hitch of the truck, and I guess I better get busy. I appreciate your time and energy and efforts coming to my YouTube channel and watching some of my projects, some of my different things. I know I don't always do long-term projects and put them on here, but that's going to change. I've got a lot that I need to do, and I'm going to dedicate the time to make sure I get it done. And I heard the chickens calling me. Got to drink my coffee, don't I? Had to look at my cup, make sure no bug got in it. All right, I appreciate your time, and make a comment. I don't know if you've got an Airstream and you've gone through some of this, but if you know some of the common things that I might run across on my project here, just you know, leave a comment here. Oh, look at that. I think there was I don't know, there was something here. That may be exhaust for that thing. But anyway, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think I might run across and what I might need to do. From looking at this video from the inside, I know there's a lot of water leaks. There's general cleanliness I got to take care of. A lot of the old plastic pieces and parts over time, of course, just disintegrate. That's normal and expected. But where can I find replacements? I need to do some research, don't I? All right. Talk to you later.